A student has created a car class. The class contains variables to represent the following. Okay, so let's go ahead and write what our class is. So the class is car. This is the class. Class is car. In the class, we have describe that we're going to have a string variable for the color. We're also going to have an int variable for the year. We're also going to have a string variable for the make. And we're going to have a string variable for the model. These are all data, okay, or attributes. Data or attributes, which are formally called instance variables. Okay, the formal word for these are instance variables. Okay, then it says that the object vehicle will be declared as type car. So you create a new object, and this object is called vehicle. You're creating an object vehicle and is declared as data type car. So the object is vehicle. Lowercase v, let me make it more obvious. Vehicle. Okay. All objects will of course have the data that was written in the class. All right. So the question is asking which description is accurate. Okay. Let's go over why A, B, C, and E are not accurate. So A, an instance of the vehicle class. How can you say vehicle class? Vehicle is not a class. Vehicle is an object. So you can't say vehicle class. Vehicle is an object. You can say vehicle object, but you can't say vehicle class. B says an instance of the car object. Same kind of problem here. Car is the class, not the object. So I can say car class, but I can't say the car object. C says an attribute of the year object. Year is not an object at all. Year is an attribute. So I can't say the year object because year is not an object. I can say the year attribute or the year data, right? But I can't say that that is an object. And lastly, E, it says the attribute of the car instance. Remember that instance is another word for object. These are synonymous. It's like big and large. Okay, instance is object. It's the same thing. So I can't say car object because that's incorrect. So the only correct one is D. An attribute of vehicle object. Is vehicle the object? Yes. And is the attribute, is it color? Attribute is color. Yes. Attribute is color. That is correct as well. So D is the only fully correct statement.